What's up YouTube? This is Junior Chassis, and today I'm going to show you how to lower your car on coils. Right now I'm going to be working on the 240. It's either right there. Let's get to it.
Got it bumping.
Alright, let's break them off real quick. Just like that. Put this off to the side. I'm gonna show you how to adjust the height real quick. And this is so easy. So easy. So first off, you're gonna break the bottom one loose first. And then from there, you'll start lowering the car by the top one. So you wanna twist this to the right.
Got it bumping.
Alright, so now with the tools that they provide you with, the coils, got the big one, and you want to twist the top one, the very top one right here, to the left, and you should see it start lowering. Do this. I just changed you to that position because it's easier. Now let's do it. And to tighten it, you grab this small one. Since you're done, just all the way to the left as hard as you can, and measure this for like an eye alignment, so that way once you finish all sides, you can go to the alignment shop and get aligned. But for right now, I'm just gonna eyeball all the sides and then switch it. So let's go put the tire back on. Now that I got the wheel on, let's blow the car and see how it looks. Oh, that fitment is way better than before. You guys do not understand at all. At all. Let me show you the original fitment. That shit is horrible. Look at that.